Okay.
Okay.
It's recording.
Morning.
Yep. Well, the top is not really in it.
The top is not in it?
If you crouch down a little, I could see it.
Like this?
Yep. There you
Am
go.
I in? Okay. Hi, everybody.
I'll take a picture.
Okay. Gaby, please be gentle with Rooney.
Oh.
Please be gentle with her.
Thank
you. Okay, here. I'm crouching. Is there a red dot on the screen?
Yep.
Okay, then we're rolling. So you can just leave it now. You've done it. Okay?
I took a picture.
You did it. Okay, so I'm Sarah Butler and you're watching Hollywood and Vines.
Sarah Butler.
That's my name. You think that?
Auntie Sarah.
Hi, I'm Auntie Sarah and you're watching Hollywood and Vines. Today, as you can see, my nephews are visiting me and this is my favorite time because I love them so much. Eli and Gabriel will be helping me plant some seeds. Stay tuned and check it out. Should we go in the garden and plant some seeds?
I think I want to swim first.
Do you know what kind of pepper that is?
Spicy pepper.
Yep, it's really spicy. It's called a Thai hot chili pepper. Are you gonna harvest it?
Yep, so a grown-up can have it because I don't like chili peppers.
Oh, I think Mel will like it.
Wow, that radish is huge.
Do you think that's a radish?
No.
What is it?
Garlic.
Oh no. Try again. It's sweet.
Honeydew melon.
Yep, that's right.
Yes.
Yes, you got it. What else do you see? These are ginger.
Ginger.
Mm-hmm.
A cucumber. That's huge.
I know. You see zucchini?
Yep, right in there.
There it is.
Yep. I noticed something.
What?
It looks like a stick.
Oh, that is a clothespin that I use to label what I planted in here. It says artichoke. There used to be an artichoke in here, I guess. But let's take it out for now because we want to plant something new in there.
Yeah, I want to plant sugar snaps.
All right, let's read this packet. What does it say? It says that we want to plant these 1 inch deep with 3 inches in between. So, do you know how long an inch is?
No. This long?
I'd say it's about this long.
Oh.
Okay, so let's plan out where we're gonna put these seeds. So let's just use our finger to poke a little hole. 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch.
Can I do one?
Yeah, of course. Keep going.
1 inch.
Do you like to eat sugar snap peas?
Yeah, they're my favorite.
They're your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
Then we better plant all of these because we want to get a lot of them. Good job. Did you know how long it will take for these seeds that we're planting to turn into sugar snap peas?
No.
It will take 65 days.
Oh.
That's about 2 months. So first you make holes with your finger, make a nice hole, and then you put a seed in. There you go. Put it in the hole.
What was in this hole? Can you put a seed in here?
Good job.
just
And
in
now
case?
you cover it up with dirt.
Can someone put a seed in here just in case?
There you go. Okay, so where else do you want to plant one, Gaby? We have so many. Let's make some more holes.
Right there.
Go for it. Nice job. And, oh, sorry, I put the seed in. You can do the next one. Here, cover that one up. I got excited. Sorry, I just love planting seeds. Where else do you want to put one?
Here.
Okay. We want this to be really gentle for the seeds. So I'm gonna give it a really, there we go. This one will be nice. Okay? Go ahead and get all of this wet. Squeeze the handle. There you go. And move it all over this whole place where we planted. Make sure all of the dirt gets wet.
I like dusting everything.
Yeah. Good job. Make sure it all gets wet. Even up here, like close to where the edge is. Because Gaby planted a seed right here. Good job. There you go. Get it all over. Good job. Woo! Get antsy. Over here. Good job. What else does the seeds need to grow besides water and soil? What else?
Sun.
Sun! Good job. So do you think it will get sunny here in the morning?
Yeah.
Good. So that's going to be good for these seeds. Okay, do you think?
And dirt.
And dirt? Does it have dirt?
And rain.
And rain, and this is the rain. So you think these seeds are going to grow? All right. There we go. You think that's good? You don't think it's good? Yeah.
Soaking wet.
You're soaking wet. You better get in the pool. Kids like to plant seeds. They like to get their fingers in the dirt, anything that involves the senses. So they can touch, they can feel, they can smell, and then they also have the anticipation of when these are gonna sprout up. So gardening, great thing to do with the babies. All right, that's about all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. From my family to yours, have a great week. See you next week. Okay, now you can cut. Do you know how to cut?
No.
Okay, do you see the button on the left upper side that has a picture of a camera next to it?
No. No.
You don't?
I don't. I only see the red button.
Oh, it's on the right upper side, sorry. This one you push.